Are you constantly battling with inconsistent weld quality, wire breakage, and high defect rates in your temperature sensor production? Faulty welding can lead to unstable resistance values, increased material waste, and costly rework, all of which hurt your production efficiency and bottom line. Leading global temperature sensor manufacturers understand that precision welding is the key to high-performance sensors. That's why they trust TATE, the industry's most advanced resistance spot welding machine, designed specifically for PT100, NTC, RTD, PT200, and PT1000 sensors. Why TATE? One machine, all sensors, no need for multiple welding systems. Our machine is optimized for all temperature sensor types, ensuring superior compatibility. Unmatched precision. Say goodbye to overheating and wire damage. TATE delivers stable, high-accuracy welds every single time. High efficiency and reliability. Our cutting-edge energy control eliminates welding inconsistencies, boosting production yield and reducing defects. Proven industry leader, trusted by the largest temperature sensor manufacturers worldwide, TATE is the go-to welding solution for those who demand the best. Your welding problem solved. Poor weld consistency? TATE ensures repeatable defect-free welds. Wire breakage due to excessive heat? Our machine minimizes heat impact, protecting delicate materials. High production costs? Increase efficiency, reduce waste, and boost your profitability. Get in touch today. Upgrade your production process with TATE, the global leader in precision welding solutions. Tell WhatsApp 613066565. Email info@oktate.com. Act now and join the world's top manufacturers who trust TATE for superior